Hello, in this video I will show you the location and how to remove and replace the horn on Toyota Auris. To get access to the horn, first we need to remove the front bumper. First we start by removing this plastic cover. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove the front bumper. To remove the bumper we need to remove the bolts holding the bumper on top. There is these bolts that I'm showing you. Next we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on the bottom. Next we're going to remove the plastic clips that are holding the bumper on the side. That's one of them, and that's the other. This plastic clip, you need to turn it and then pull it out. The other plastic clip that holds the bumper is this one right there. You need to turn it anti-clockwise and then pull it out again because it's a plastic clip. Now that the two plastic clips are removed, you can just pull out the bumper on this side and you can see it got separated from the wing. And you need to do the same on the other side. Again, two plastic clips, you need to turn them and then pull them out. Next we're going to remove the front bumper. We just need to pull it out on this side and then pull it on the other side and it will come out. There might be some electrical connectors for the lights or parking sensors if there is any. You can disconnect them and take it out. Now that the front bumper is removed, we have access to the horn. The horn is held by one bolt, which is right there, and an electrical connector. You just remove the bolt, disconnect the electrical connector and replace it. Thank you for watching.